Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1964 Chevy Impala SS convertible. It's a two-owner car. My client purchased this car in 1971 with 42,000 miles. Drove it around and used it as a daily driver. Got it rebuilt. It's the original motor. When he rebuilt the motor, he did the heads also to accommodate regular fuel. Looks so good with the skirts. Power disc brakes up front. Got a brand new master. Brakes and everything were just gone over. Chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, chrome alternator, new wiper motor. New. This was just done last week. Manifolds lead to dual exhaust. Runs really nice. Electronic ignition. It's a flamethrower in there. Four-valve carburetor with electric choke. Let's get a regular fuel pump. Love the originality of this car. You don't really see them like this. A lot of our lowriders and stuff like that. Got a custom stereo in it too. These speakers, 6x9s, are removable. Little plug down there. You just unplug nice and easily. Power glide, automatic transmission. It's got a retro sound system too. These bottom portions of the seats were also just redone. Great. Really did a nice job including the carpet back here too. Actually, I think the whole seat was done. They match beautiful. Brand new steering wheel as well. It's literally just put on. It's got 169,776 miles. That is original. I love this turn dash. So pretty. Retro sound. And that's got Bluetooth and everything. And here's a little microphone. Gorgeous center console. Little speaker over here too. You never cut into the dash. seats for this car. Such an American icon. Take you for a quick ride. Runs great. Starts right up. Very comfortable ride. Fuel gauge works, speedometer works. Brakes are real responsive. Guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out some more photos and information on our